Look, a beaver dam. Today, our destination is Rhode Island to see family, but the journey to get there brings back many memories that flood my mind. All right, out of all the times I've been to New York City, I've never had a view like I have in this hotel. So Kathy did a good job picking this hotel, and I'm just gonna show you guys the view right now. As we hop in a cab, I can't help to think back to when Kathy and I ran the Amsterdam half marathon. As cool as it was to run the Amsterdam half marathon with Kathy, that's not what I'm thinking about today. It's actually the train ride Kathy and I took to go from Amsterdam to Paris. We met a couple that were traveling with their kids, and it gave Kathy and I an idea what our lives would look like traveling with our own kids. We are at Moynihan train station going from New York City to Providence, Rhode Island. During this trip, we were more nervous to use the subway, mostly from people who told us that it's really scary now. This worry would only add to the tension. So we might have made the kids worry a little too much. But there's nothing to worry about when you get to the Moynihan train station. We were pleasantly surprised of how nice, clean, and safe we felt. Probably as safe as these birds felt stealing this guy's food. Hop on. Here, I got it. Although when I envisioned traveling with my kids, I didn't think I would have to be carrying so much stuff, pushing so much stuff, all while holding a camera to record it all. Make sure you got a double side.
2 and 2.
The nice thing about taking the train is you don't wait too long before you depart. And if you want to know, the train is nice and super comfortable. It's nice seeing Colin do homework on vacation. Once the train gets underway, it's back to thinking of other things that I might have forgot.
We're at the Flatiron Building.
And your Craigslist couch.
You're wondering what this big bottle of Hershey's is? Well, as you can see from the top, it's supposed to be a piggy bank, except it's not a piggy.
You're like rubbing it in her face.
Wait, I'll rub it in her face.
All right, the train from New York City to Rhode Island. This is gorgeous, very comfortable. I definitely recommend it. All right, we're headed to the cafe here on the train. There was nothing exciting about the cafe, and once I got back to my seat, I remember that train ride Kathy and I took. It was going to be Kathy's last time traveling with a ringless hand.
Oh, hi! Look! I'm engaged! Train's the best!
Wow, that's why I like traveling. You never know what you're going to see. And when we got there, we were taken to go see a beaver dam.
See the beaver dam? Right there.
The whole thing's a beaver dam? Something I've never seen before. Look, a beaver dam.